You're recording. She likes the milk. Hey, Puka. Wow, she drinks a lot of milk. She likes milk.
I told you she would like milk.
Does she eat? She likes tuna or sardines.
Sardines, yeah, but she
Not
don't
so?
eat a. She doesn't eat a lot.
Oh, she likes milk. Morning, sleepyhead. Drink more milk pa.
It's so cute.
Should put like the advertise like got milk. Do you know that? Ah, she's full na. Sige na, drink more milk. Sige na, all the way down. Oops. 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 She still feel like eating. She still feel like drinking more milk. Oops. She's finished now. Drink more milk. Sige na, drink more milk.
Yeah, it's okay. She's full.
Okay.
Just a little more, maybe.
Sige na, more. But just little. Just little.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, hey, there's milk.
Thought I already finished the milk. Boop. Oops, oops, oops. Watch out. Abi, her tummy is so big now. I think she will wee wee.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just wee wee.